Hello everyone and welcome to lesson 1.13, the final lesson in our historical investigation unit. You should be ready to submit your HI essay at this point. So by the end of our lesson, you should be able to submit a completed historical investigation, including part A, which is the OPCVL, which is a roughly 500 word portion. Part B, which is the investigation, which is around 1,300 words. This is your 5-paragraph essay. And then lastly, your Part C, which is around 400 words, and this focuses on your methods, not on the process. So these are the three sections that you need to have ready at this point. If you do not have these ready to go, you cannot complete this lesson. Hit stop and go back and finish everything before you do this lesson. Some reminders for all of you. By now, you should have the HI completed. As I said before, if you do not have parts A, B, and C completely done, and have gotten feedback from me on all three of those parts, you need to stop and go back and make sure that all of those parts are finished before you complete lesson 1.13. This would normally mean that you have already written the entire essay and have submitted it and gotten feedback on it. You are required to have this essay submitted. Failure to have a completed HI rough draft will result in your grade being held for first semester, and this still is the case. So if you do not have an HI turned in by this December, then I will hold your grade, which means that Mr. Nemo cannot send your transcripts for first semester for colleges. Many of you are going to be working for scholarships and things like that, so I have to hold it until I get the paper because the paper is a graduation requirement. So please make sure that you are working towards getting this paper done, and the sooner the better. All right, so what you need to do is have your completed HI ready to go by the end of our lesson. You should make sure that all three parts are merged into one document, so there's only one document that you're submitting, and make sure that all three parts are labeled properly. There's no need to worry about a title page and table of contents yet. Those will be done in final submissions second semester, so if you don't have your those items ready to go, we can work on them later. However, I strongly encourage that you do them. If you have enough time to meet with me before this unit ends, we can go ahead and do your title page and table of contents, and you don't have to worry about it second semester. So kind of disregard this rule. Still come find me to set up your title page. When you get ready to submit, come see me and we'll do the title page and table of contents together, okay? And that concludes our lesson 1.3. Today we're going to be submitting our essay. So at this point, make sure that you come by to see me so I can do one-on-one with you to upload. But you should have your HI completed into one document, and it should be three parts, A, B, and C, with 500, 1,300, and 1,400 words, with OPCVL in Part A, 5-paragraph investigation in Part B, and the reflection focusing on methods in Part C. You want to complete any activities for 1.13, which is just the submitting of your HI, and then do backflips as you're walking out of the room because, yay, you are done with the HI. Thank you so much for your time through this process. Thank you so much and have a great day.